I don't know if I'm supposed to hear it.
Is your tuner on?
Need some bass in the wedge as well. Unplugging this, I'm going to try a different guitar.
Smash it. So funny. Who said that? Yeah. Nice.
I like that better. That's great.
You comfortable? You good? You guys all good? Are you guys good? Yeah, are we good? Katie, we're good? All right, cool. Hey, welcome, Northern Invasion, to Zippo Sessions. Yes, a very cool little intimate showcase where we provide entertainment for you because you came here, you love this music, and we love you back. You guys got a cool lighter, you guys got the cool pass to come back here, get out of the sun, and watch these awesome bands. And they're gonna get turned on to these bands, and especially this one. I know you are, because last week, I walked out of this tent, last week in Carolina, I was like, holy crap, that band is so good. All of us did. So, again, thank you for coming out here. If you didn't?
No, we're used to it.
You guys are used to, you guys. Hey, but my name is Jose. I'm from Sirius XM Octane and Liquid Metal, and I'm on the radio every single day. Thank you, man. 12 hours a day, Monday through Friday. I've been with the company for 17 years, and I love discovering new bands myself and then playing it for you to hear, and then you to come out and be like, that's the band that I heard on Octane, and now you're gonna watch them perform acoustic here at Zippo Sessions. All right, and if you're posting pictures or tagging or videos or whatever, please hashtag Zippo Sessions for us so that we can see all the cool stuff that you guys are posting, all right? So thank you for participating, sing along, clap, whatever they tell you to do it, all right? All the way from Los Angeles, California, our badass friends here, Badflower. Woo!
you guys familiar with us? Yeah. A couple of you in the back. Any of you guys see us earlier today? Yeah. Did you enjoy that? Yeah. Oh, thank you so much. So you're hearing all the songs again at the same time, just a little bit different. Different instruments.
Jester at the ball, rub my shoulders with the kids. I was breathing in the bars when I was jumping through the hills. And then the cooks would sound a bell, and all the kings would lick their lips. Tables full and there's no room for me to sit. Is there anybody out there looking out for me? Just say you want me, just say you need me. Is there anybody out there looking out for me? Lord, I live to entertain. All my pride is in my praise. I hold along with this vibration and hope to God I'll make it with you. If any chord that I could strum make me feel as I can end, turn my fingers in the doorway and shatter all the bones so I could never strong again. Is there anybody out there looking out for me? Just say you want me, just say you need me. Is there anybody out there looking out for me? For me? Is every last soul just fucking me over? With tears on their shoes and ice on their shoulders. Is there anybody out there looking out for me?
If you like anything you hear today, you can call up Octane and request it. And Jose's gonna answer the phone and be like, fuck yeah, I'll play that shit. We're gonna play one more song.
That's it!
And if you dig it and you're feeling the beat and the rhythm and the music, clap along, do whatever the fuck you want.
One time.
Yeah, don't like just clap all willy-nilly.
Clap with him.
Ready for this?
Yo, Zippo Sessions, one more time for our friends, Badflower. friend back there, it's We Are Badflower on Facebook. I guess you just looked up Badflower and there's some Duck Dynasty dudes or something. But We Are Badflower on Facebook, and also they're on Instagram and freaking Twitter, and they have an album out, or an EP, right?
Got an EP out called Temper.
And when did it come out?
It's been out for
Since September. These guys are from California. And we're playing a couple of songs here on Octane, so it's pretty freaking cool, man. I love it, man. I'm telling you, who was super impressed by this? I know we how you guys just bring it, man. You guys performed a full show today, and then you're here just just on it, right?
Well, in all fairness, we only played for 30 minutes on the other stage. We still had some energy. Too short, right? We gotta come back and headline.
What's the longest Badflower has played before?
What's that?
What's the longest set that you guys have played?
Oh God, it's like an hour is daunting. An hour is tough, because we do, especially in our club shows and stuff, we put a lot of energy into it, and by the last song on an hour set, we're about dead.
Well, you guys are young bucks, man. Yeah, of course. This is what, if you guys, I mean, you have to play longer as you play later on stage and bigger stages. You guys gotta play more.
Right.
You guys better start getting to it now. Hell yeah, let's do it! You know what I'm saying? Hey, there's a lot of cool people here. Northern Invasion, and you guys are doing your first like American sort of festival run. This is the first time that you guys. So, your thoughts and your opinions so far in a few weeks in.
Festivals are crazy, man. Oh my God. They're cool. I think our favorite part of it is things like this. Yeah. We're told we're gonna go play the show. They're like, yeah, you're playing the whatever stage at this time, and we think that we're gonna do that, and then we're like, cool, I'm gonna watch Soundgarden later, but then they're like, no, you have to go to the Zippo tent and do an interview, and then we do, and then here you all are, and we don't expect any of that. So I think that's been the coolest part of it, is all the after show interviews and acoustic things, and meeting all of you guys is so cool.
What about starstruck moments when you're walking backstage and catering? There's a catering place where all the bands and the crew get to eat, right?
Yeah.
And that's where you kind of run into like, whoa, there's Jacoby, whoa, there's Chris Cornell, whoa, there's... I mean, have you had any starstruck moments at these festivals? I have a really dumb story. Do you guys know Highly Suspects? Yes.
I was listening to their stuff, and I've been a big fan for a little while now, like since we got on the radio, and I've been hearing them on the radio. And I was like talking them up to this guy in catering. I was like, yeah, I'm really looking forward to seeing Highly Suspect. I've never seen this band before, and like I love their album, I'm a fan. And I kept just talking it up, and I didn't realize he was sitting, the singer Johnny was sitting right there where Joey is, like with his back turned. And he turns to me and goes, hey, thanks, man. And then shakes my hand. I'm like, what? How embarrassing. So embarrassing.
Did you talk to him though?
I talked to him, and then they wrote us a tweet later, and we're like, those Badflower guys are cool, so.
Right, there you go. Got a tweet from it, man. So, Highly Suspect Badflower tour, that's easy. We can make that happen.
Yeah, let's do it.
So I want to go just around. I see some young ones in the audience here, and happy Mother's Day again to all the cool metal moms and rock moms here at Northern Invasion today.
Yeah, actually, I wanted to do a Mother's Day thing for our moms with all of you guys in it. Can we do that?
Yeah. Are we gonna call your mom? Is it a FaceTime?
No, I'm gonna just make a video for her.
Oh, okay, make a video. Okay, cool. All right, cool. Wow, we're getting. Call your mom too, man. Screw it.
Moms. Addressing the moms.
Hey, moms. Yeah.
All of these people want to say Happy Mother's Day to you.
Happy Mother's Day.
We love you very much, moms.
Oh, there you go. Moms are awesome. Hey, I want to ask you guys, growing up as fans of rock music, was your family supportive of it, or were they scared? I mean, I know you're Latino. I mean, my mom was super scared. She was like, Slayer, all that metal stuff is going to lead you to the devil. And it did. But I mean, was your family supportive? I'm going to go to each of you guys. Was family supportive of you wanting to be a rock dude?
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. She helped me convert half our garage into a practice space.
What about you, brother?
I wanted to be a film composer when I was younger, and my parents were really into that. And then I started doing drugs, and I got a guitar and all that. And they're happy now that I'm not a bum. That's why I gotta send videos like that. Like, look, mom.
Yeah.
I'm somebody.
Yeah, I'm on
kind
stage.
of. Okay,
Not a bum, you do live in a van.
I do live in a van. Yeah, we all live in a van.
Hey, Down by the river. Hey, so what about you guys? Supportive family growing up as wanting to be a rock dude?
Oh yeah, I had a super supportive family. My parents, like Alex, tell me.
She's on FaceTime now.
Hey.
She can tell you.
That's so cool. It's just
Yeah, very supportive. Like I was saying, like Alex's family, they helped me convert our garage into a little practice space. They were sick of hearing it in the house.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, so supportive. Go to a different room.
But let's ask the drummer, dude, because parents don't like the drums. Do they?
My parents didn't.
Yeah, really?
You know, yeah. My grandmother didn't like it sometimes. She taught piano out of her house, and I had my drums in her basement.
Oh, no.
So the light would be flickering on and off. But they were supportive. I've been playing since I was like 7, so there's really nothing else I can do.
There you go. I'm gonna go back down the road here. First concert you ever went to?
The Cranberries.
Cranberries. What about you, brother?
That was a little embarrassing. Hanson.
No, that's a mic drop.
Queen with Paul Rogers.
That's pretty good. What about you?
Cheap Trick opened up Alice.
The rock and rollers, man. Mine was Anthrax and Iron Maiden. Yeah. Good stuff, man. All right, so what's next for Badflower? After these festivals, what are you guys doing?
We're going to New York tonight.
Wait, what was that, dude?
It's really far away. It's fucking far as shit.
We just got back from.
We just came from New York, and now we're going to New York again.
Okay.
So we're filming a music video there, and then...
That's a good reason.
Yeah. So look out for it.
What song?
I don't want to tell you the song.
All right.
It's a mystery. You're playing it on your radio station.
Well, it's not a mystery then.
So you're only playing 2 of them, or I think 1 of them now, so it's that one.
Animal? What's the other one? I forgot.
It's called Heroin.
There you go, yeah. See, it all comes full circle.
We're filming a music video for Heroin. It's
There you go.
cool.
There, now tweet that there.
But then we're doing Rock on the Range.
Yes.
And we're doing a co-headlining tour with this band called Goodbye June, who also played here today.
Yep.
They kick ass. So if you are, I don't know, find our Facebook page and see if we're in a town near you, because we're going all over the place.
And you know what? I bet you most of these people, when they walk away from here, are all going to be new fans of Badflower for sure.
If you're on Instagram, our like management and everybody's been bugging us to get more Instagram followers, so just do it.
Just do it, damn it.
It's at Badflower Music. We would love.
Don't follow at Badflower.
Yeah,
don't do it.
That's some asshole chick who won't give up her hand.
Tell her.
So follow at Badflower Music, and if any pictures you're taking, tag us and all that. We'd love to see them.
Awesome, man. One more time for Badflower, everyone. Yeah! Also, don't forget the hashtag zippo sessions, man. Much love to our LA friends, and make sure whenever they do come to a town near you, you support them and get their EP. Lots of cool things in the future for Badflower. Thanks again to Badflower. Yeah! Have a good rest of your night, guys.
Thank
man.
you,
No problem, man. Yeah. Happy Mother's Day. Yeah.